Morning, Pigeon family. Ham's Loft. It's Saturday. I let out my 18. One of them didn't come back. He should be back after a while. He's the only one that go roaming all the time on his own. Seen him. He was here a little while ago, but he's not here no more. Still got the screen up. Getting ready to take the screen down. Put the birds in the inside because I needed to get my money band birds out of the group. It's a total of, I think it's 45. I don't know where the hell I get 60 from, but 45 inside this pen. I had the 4 that was down there. I have 2 still down there. I had the cold, 2 of them had broken legs. They didn't heal, and the feet was turning dark, so they stopped getting blood. So I hated to do that, but it is what it is. All right, let's get these guys down and let's take a look at my rest of my stuff. All right, people, these my money band birds. The band is $5 each, and these birds are the ones that you can win a bunch of money on. I just bought 5 bands. One band fell off a bird. I couldn't find the band, so I only got 4. So I got these 2. See this grizzle, and nest mate is that black grizzle right there. These 2 come off of one of Pancake G, one Pancake Gulf Classic birds, and one of a blue grizzle that another flyer gave me named Carlton. So we got 2 birds that have definitely flown more than 350 miles. So we figure, hell, let's give them a shot. That one right there is one that I bred, and this all white one is one I bred from the same parents. So you can see, all white. Don't know how great it's gonna do. And this one. Okay. And my 4 money band birds. So I don't let them out until the middle of June. Start training them. Okay, took the screen off. Sitting right there. So you can see everything is wide open. Now everything will come down in a couple of weeks. This is just so that they can be able to get out, look around. 2 things of bath water. Great day, right around 2 o'clock. You can see the sun's up there. Nice little shaded, no wind. So all I gotta do is just open this. But I'm gonna go on the inside first, put the trap up, let them come out onto the aviary, and then I'll just drop it, just back off and let us see what they do. Always got my 18 for backup. I can always put them out there. All right, let's see what they do. Also got the flight, the female flight that's over there too. So we'll just see how they act. I'm gonna do a little house cleaning over here on the side. I don't even know if they even know that the screen is off. And like I said, I'm not gonna chase them up, just gonna let them out. I took the band off that bird. See, it's hobbling. That's a 2010 bird. She ain't never really flew nowhere, so hell, I just took the band off and just let her hang out in the backyard. She was with a cock. Cock kept beating her up, so I just pulled them apart, let her do whatever she wanted to do. Well, everybody's seen birds come out before. We're just gonna let them do what they do. I'm gonna put you on pause and just come back and see what happens. I'm gonna give you a little close up on my birds if they hang out. You can see I got some blacks right there, black. Some red chicks, another black right there in the back. Some bars, grizzles, splash. I don't know what color that one is. I guess he would be a kind of like a check too. Got some silvers in there. Some white ones in the back. Not necessarily really white, but right there. All right, fellas. Hell, I don't want to just pick up your day looking at this. Got a few out there. Got two that flew. I think they're on the roof somewhere. But I had 9 more. I took 9 more and gave them to Thomas White, White House Loft. He lives about 2 hours from me. We met up. I gave him 9. I had 4 in there. Like I said, 2 of them had broken legs. But the band held their leg together when I took the band off it, which was right here. The legs just fell off. So, couldn't do nothing with them. All right. Let's see what we got over here. These 4 Pancake gave me. The silver and 3 chicks. That one right there comes from the bird that was over there in the middle loft, the GAC Classic, that little silver. He's right there. And in my little rabbit hutch. Now I did stop breeding already, so in this loft I have got one laying there with a plastic egg. Still got a couple of babies over there. A couple of babies up there. A couple of them got plastic eggs. So as soon as the babies get big, well, I can just pull everybody out of here. Then we'll gut the whole building, bleach it down, scrub it down, and just put the purchases up so that they can so I can put all the hens in here. But it'll be another clean out for a whole day. All right, shouts out to all the flyers, all the subscribers, UK family, Hell Flights, Kinsey Mack, who haven't been on in a while, and Joe Tipplers. Sorry about that, I almost dropped the phone. All right, and Joe Tipplers, High Fly 18. It's nice to see the little family involved with the birds. I wish mines were. I only have one son, 22. He'll feed them, but that's about it. All right, Rod and Rollers. All right, everybody from the UK, shouts out to you. All right, we're about to shut it down. All right, peace. Subscribe, comment, do what you do.